Are you having trouble with solving SAT maths problems? Hello everyone, welcome to the Problem and Solution series Reel 2. The first problem that you face is misunderstanding the problem. It often happens that when we read the question, we miss out on important information and lose out on time. So make sure you read the problem carefully. The problem number 2 is when we do not know where to start. Identify the knowns and unknowns in the question and use the information which is given to you to find what is asked to find. The problem number 3 is forgetting the formulae. So often it happens that we forget the formulae. Often you will get questions in the exam where you will have to use the concepts of multiple topics together to answer one question. So for example, if you have a question on right angle triangle, learn to apply the formula of Pythagoras theorem. So I hope these tips are useful to you. Follow these tips religiously and I'm sure you'll be able to ace your SAT maths score. And so do not let anything come between you and your dreams. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.